Hello, I'm Michael Allen. In this video, I'll be installing a 1 horsepower water pump, pumping from those 4 black water tanks. Doing some water harvesting, collecting rainwater from the roof to fill those tanks. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll be taking down those tanks to have my inlet valve installed. That's my float valve installed into those tanks, because I'll be having water coming in also from the city water and also from the roof, collecting water from the roof to the hammerhead into those pipes that I'm now laying in those, or in that trench there. That's my pump house there. Actually, you're looking at my 3/4 float valve that has been installed into that tank there. So as you can see, there rain is about to fall. So there it is, the rain, yeah. You're looking at those holes in the top of those tanks and the extreme right there. Well, what I'll have to do, I'll have to take that 4 inches bend off. Water is in it, so wow. I need to get my pipes, my 4 inches pipes, into those holes for my catchment, as you can see. Okay, this is my connection from my discharge line, and you have my inlet line there from the city water, and this is how we do it. I'll clean that joint properly. So that is my T. That's my discharge line there. That line will be coming from the pump. So the pump will be pumping into that line. That line would also supply the house. Now that's my non-return valve to prevent water from returning into my float valve. That's a float in the tank. So while the pump is pumping, no water can't come through that non-return to go back into that line, which is my inlet line there you're looking at. That's my inlet line there that my float valve is connected to.
So we have our
That's my pump there.
Use pump here.
So I'm using an 1.25 inch by 1, reducing bushing. But first I would have to use some metal fittings to take that plastic away from that pump. I don't want to put that plastic immediately onto that pump, so we take some metal fittings, as you can see, push it off that pump a bit. Okay, you're looking at that bend there, and then you're looking at my filter there. Put that filter just before we're going to put that device, which is the smart head. So we actually filter the water before we get down into that smart head there. That's the smart head you're looking at there, being installed, and you're looking at that 1-inch valve there that goes onto that discharge line. So that discharge line, that 1-inch line there that you're looking at now, that I'm now cutting, is going to be connected to that discharge T. Notice whenever using a smart head, you bypass the pressure switch on that pump, so the current or the power does not go to that pressure switch on the pump. Everything goes right into that device there, which is the smart head. That's the electrician there in his connection. Well, we are now finished. Let's check the system out.
Turn on.
Okay, whenever you turn on a valve, pumps will now comes in. Whenever you turn off a valve, pump will automatically goes out. Notice on this device you have power on, pump on, failure, and a restart. Pump does not work when there's no water in the system. After getting water in the system, please press the reset button or restart button. Thanks for watching. Please like, share,